Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah ya. Hari ini nih kita lagi aduk-aduk. Bikin apa yuk? Ya. Hari ini alhamdulillah bikin kue 8 jam. Kuenya wong Palembang ya, yang rasanya luar biasa, legit, manis, dan lemaknya. Terima kasih. Alhamdulillah ya, kue 8 jam ala dapurnya Ita Yudis nih sudah matang cantik sekali. Alhamdulillah. Seperti ini ya. Yang mau order, ayo silakan. Hubungi Ita Yudis 0813 6770 2798. Ini masih dalam kukusan ya, kue 8 jamnya. Warnanya cantik sekali. Seperti ini. Yang mau order, hubungi Ita Yudis 0813 6770 2798. Salam kue 8 jam Palembang. Memang lemaknya nih masih dikukus. Assalamualaikum. Nah, ini salah satu varian ya, kue Palembang ya. Kue 8 jam yang kita masak dengan waktu 8 jam. Rasanya manis legit luar biasa. Seperti ini ya. Wow, lemaknya. Yang mau order silakan hubungi Ita Yudis 0813 6770 2798. Ditunggu, terima kasih. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love.